I don't think this is concerning for the market because what we have seen is just a moderation from the last month. This is pure mathematics. If you look at the broader trend, the macro data across the board in China has been improving. So along with the services PMI, the manufacturing PMI has also been very strong in the last few months. Underlying data such as property sales has been in double digit. Auto sales have also been growing at double digit in the last few months. So I would say that broadly, the Chinese economy has been recovering from the pandemic, and I think that is going to be very positive for the equity market. And that's why China is our favorite market within Asia.
Okay, so your favorite pick within Asia. What are you seeing in terms of corporate fundamentals? Because we know the market isn't always a perfect indicator or vice versa in terms of what's happening with the macro data. But have you been satisfied with what we're seeing in terms of earnings so far?
In case of China, we have been quite satisfied. There are only a couple of markets in Asia which are seeing earnings being revised higher. Along with Taiwan, China is the other market. If you look at the components of the Chinese equity market, close to 50% of the market is the new economy stocks, sectors like internet, e-commerce, online education. And all these sectors are seeing a very strong growth because of the coronavirus, as all of us are staying at home. So within the market, we very much like all these sectors, and they have been leading the earnings growth for the broader Chinese equity market.
And Suresh, focusing back on China macro just briefly, how do you think China's policy moves in the coming months might ripple through the wider region in terms of market performance and equity performance in other parts of Asia?
So China is very important for the broader Asian economies and markets. Whenever China see a strong economic recovery, you see the spillover impact into markets like Indonesia, Singapore, and also Korea, Taiwan. We have seen a recent economic data in Korea has been quite positive, especially the export data. That's a reflection of how the recovery in Chinese economy is supporting the broader recovery in Asian economies. You can see the impact of that in Europe as well. Germany is benefiting from the economic recovery in China, and that's why the German equity market has also been very strong.